The secret to financial freedom, living on one income. What if I told you that living on just one income could actually make you richer? While everyone else is struggling paycheck to paycheck. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the harsh truth. Most people are drowning in expenses they don't even need. They're stuck in a financial trap they don't realize exists. And if you don't wake up now, you could be next. But there's a secret, a system that wealthy, smart families have used for decades. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can live on one income, save more than ever, and build real wealth without feeling deprived. But first, let's talk about the hidden dangers that keep people broke. Let me introduce you to Jake and Sarah, a young couple who thought they were doing everything right. 2 incomes, a nice house, new cars. Life was good until it wasn't. Jake suddenly lost his job, and within 3 months, they were drowning, struggling to keep up with mortgage payments, car loans, and credit card debt. The stress was unbearable. They had 2 choices: surrender to debt and financial stress, or change how they lived. They chose the latter, and what happened next shocked even them. They decided to test something radical, living on just one income. And guess what? Not only did they survive, but they ended up saving more money than when they had 2 incomes. Sounds impossible? Keep watching because I'm going to break down exactly how they did it, step by step. Step 1. The brutal budget reality check. Most people don't realize how much money they waste. Track every single expense for 30 days. Look at your bank statement. How much goes to unnecessary subscriptions, eating out, impulse shopping? The truth is, you don't need to make more money. You need to keep more money. Cut the non-essentials and prioritize what truly matters. Pro tip: use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to automatically track and categorize expenses. Seeing where your money goes in real time can be a wake-up call. Step 2. Master the art of living below your means. Think about this. If your monthly income was suddenly cut in half, what would you do? Would you downgrade your lifestyle, move to a cheaper place, sell the extra car? The key is to make these changes before you're forced to. Jake and Sarah downsized their home, sold 1 car, and cut all unnecessary expenses. And suddenly, they had thousands of extra dollars each year. Pro tip: follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. If possible, push savings to 30%. Step 3. Automate your savings. First, most people save whatever's left after spending. Wrong. Do the opposite. Pay yourself first. Automate savings before you even touch your paycheck. Even if it's just 20% of your income, set it aside like a bill you have to pay. Pro tip: open a high-yield savings account and set up an automatic transfer every payday. Out of sight, out of mind. This prevents the temptation to spend. Step 4. Embrace the side hustle safety net. One income doesn't mean one source of money. Find ways to build passive income, whether it's freelancing, selling digital products, renting out a spare room, or investing. The wealthiest people don't rely on a single paycheck. They build multiple streams of income. Pro tip: start with skills you already have. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork can help you monetize your talents quickly. Step 5. Destroy debt ruthlessly. Debt is the silent wealth killer. If you're living on one income, high-interest debt will drain you fast. Attack your debt aggressively. Start with the smallest one to build momentum and move up. Imagine how much money you'd have if you didn't have credit card bills or car loans eating away at your paycheck every month. Pro tip: use the debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first, then roll that payment into the next. Small wins build motivation. Step 6. Rethink what wealth means. Real wealth isn't about fancy cars, designer clothes, or expensive dinners. It's about freedom. The freedom to work because you want to, not because you have to. The freedom to spend time with your family instead of being stuck in a job you hate. The freedom to live life on your terms. Pro tip: shift your mindset. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" ask, "Does this align with my financial goals?" You are not trapped by your circumstances. You are only trapped if you refuse to change. Living on one income is not about sacrifice. It's about taking control. It's about giving yourself the power to say no to stress, no to debt, and yes to freedom. Your future self is watching, and the decision you make today will determine the life you live tomorrow. If this video inspired you, hit that like button and comment below. What's the first step you're going to take? And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing financial strategies. Because the road to wealth isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. See you in the next video.